Hey everyone, the Xiaomi S20 Plus is one of the best value robot vacuums out right now. But there are a few things you need to know before you buy or start using it. Let's get straight into the essentials. First up, suction. This thing hits 6000 PA, which is plenty of hard floors. But there are the important part. It has ultrasonic carpet detection. When it hits a rug, it automatically lifts its mop pads by 7mm and boosts the suction to turbo. If you have high pile or shaky carpets, though 7mm might not be enough, you'll want to set carpet avoidance in the app to keep them dry. Next up, the S20 Plus has dual rotary mops. They spin and apply pressure to simulate manual scrubbing. It's great for dried coffee or mud. But remember, the tank is 2-in-1 design. You will need to refill the water tank and empty the 450mm dustbin manually since this model doesn't have an auto empty station. Next, for navigation, it uses LDS laser 360 scanning. It builds a map of your house in about 10 minutes. It's excellent at avoiding shoes and furniture. But like most mid-range spots, it can still get tangled in thin charging cables. So do yourself a favor and clear your cords before hitting start. And lastly, a few maintenance tips. The HEPA filter is washable, but make sure it is 100% dry before putting it back, or you'll kill the suction. Also, in the Xiaomi Home app, you can set no-go zones. Use this for pet bowls or areas with lots of cables to keep the robot from getting stuck while you're away. The S20 Plus is a great option for the price, as long as you manage your cables and check your carpet height. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.